looking at this figure, we're going to start from this initial position and we're going to move 1, 2, right, 2 spaces until we land on the third one. So we're going to rotate this. We're going to rotate this 1, 2, 3 times to get to here. Then we rotate 1, 2, 3 times until we get to here. Then you rotate 1, 2, 3, and you're back here now, right? But notice that this position is actually not this position, right? But what's happening is we're rotating this 3 times, okay, every time we move to the next figure. So if I have now, or if I redraw this into the figure like this, we're starting here. So this is 1, right? Then we move 1, 2, 3, then we're here, right? This is the second figure. This is the third figure. This is the fourth figure. And we move 1, 2, 3, and this is the fifth figure. 1, 2, 3. Now we're here. This is the sixth figure. 1, 2, 3. This is the seventh figure. 1, 2, 3. And then this is the eighth figure. Then, right, after we do this, from here, we're moving 1, 2, 3. And now we're repeating to this value here, right? We're starting back at this position. So the way you can look at it is that you see that this is 1, right? From 1 to get to 9, you have to add 8. So that means the next positions, right? The 10th position, for example, is going to be right here because 2, right, plus 8 gives me 10. And we also know that from here, if we rotate 1, 2, 3, we land on this position. Okay. That means if you want to figure out where the 21st figure is, we add 8 to these values and see which one gives us 21, right? So for example, if I have, let's say 5 and I add 8, right? If I add 8, it tells me that 13, this is where the 13th figure is going to be, right? And then if I take the largest number 8 and I add 8, it's going to be 16, right? So this will be where the 16th figure is going to be. So that tells me that we need to add 8 one more time, right, to these values to get to 21. So for example, if I have 7, if I add 8 to this, right, the result is 15. Add 8 to this, it's going to be 16. Oh, no, this will be 12. From here, from 6, add 8, and the result is going to be 14. This, add 8, and the result is 11. Now we have to figure out which of these numbers do I have to add 8 to so that the value is 21. Well, 21, if I split this so it's 8 plus some number, right, this number needs to be, right, it's not 12 because that gives me 20, so it has to be 13, okay? So that means from here, if I add 8, I get 21, meaning the 21st, right, the 21st figure will have the shaded area right here.